What is up today, guys? Today we are taking yet another trip up to SeaTac to Planespot inside the airport. Now, guys, I'm pretty sure you can figure out why we chose this day because it's a bit sprinkly, so that's why today we are going to be spotting inside the airport. Anyways, guys, me and my brother are super excited right now. I think there's some pretty cool planes we'll be seeing today, guys. Alright, guys, also Aaron's coming with us.
And my voice might sound a little bad, guys, because I'm pretty sick right now, so I apologize for that.
Yeah, Aaron's still kind of recovering from a gnarly sickness.
That's why he's recording.
Yeah, that's why I'm recording. Alright, guys, so I did bring along some plens today. I'll show you guys those later once there's not much taken off. Anyways, guys, we're just kind of driving here, so maybe I'll see you guys, I guess, when we get there, you guys. Guys, look!
OMG trend.
It's right there! No way!
Coming up to it.
Look, the trend!
Right.
See? Here it is. Oh, shoot. We're slowing down now. I can't see it anymore. Yo, that's so cool. Whoa, look, that actually looks pretty cool. Yeah. Some stuff. Oh, some more Alaskas. Guys, here's some Alaskas.
Some more Alaskas. Some American.
Too bad it's not the PSA retro though, right?
That would have been cool.
Let's go to the top. To the top.
Maybe like the 7th floor this time.
7th floor.
Yeah.
I want to see plens. Alright, let's go to the 7th floor so we can still go high. But there will be more space up there, so.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah!
Are you ready?
We're gonna go to the top, guys, I guess. Oh, wow.
It's wet up here.
Let's go to the elevator. Get close to the elevator. Oh my gosh, I'm getting like misted in the face. Misty.
Oh, cow.
Oh my gosh. The elevator. Crashing parking lot, maybe It's loud in here. Oh, let's go, guys. Oh, I never noticed. Welcome to the house. That's cool. I've never ridden.
There's somebody inside.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
We.
Oh.
Oh, we're stopping.
Alright, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this mist. Oh my gosh, dude. This is crazy. This crazy mist. Let's go. From under the mist. Oh, it's chilly in here. It's always chilly in here.
I think there is.
Go later. Let's go later. The escalator.
This is plan November 64648.
No, November 64648. No, November Charlie 64648. November Charlie 4648. Okay. Alright guys, well we're just kind of walking now, so I will see you guys once we get through TSA. Alright guys, well we just made it through TSA. Holy cow, that was quick. Like that took like 5 minutes. Super quick guys, it was like not busy at all today. Now guys, I'm not sure if the fog will mess up the plane spotting, but let's hope not. Actually, yes, that's the answer. No, it will not. Let's go get some plane spotting in, guys. Start plane spotting. Little Delta. I like how these bars right here. Little guy here. Alright guys, Qatar's landing. Qatar! Oh, that looks sick! Oh! Dude, that looks sick! That looks sick! That looks sick, guys! Sick Qatar Airlines. Ooh, there it is! Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Guys, this plane's moving. Aww. Oh no, I don't want to see his butt.
Oh, no.
Censor. Sorry guys, just kidding. I didn't have to censor it. Oh, there's the honoring. Look how close he is, guys. Engine. They're holding a tug. Dude, a tug broke down. Did a tug actually break down? Oh, yo, these lights are really cool, actually. These taxiway lights right now are actually really cool. I wonder where a British... Oh, it disappeared.
He just disappeared, dude.
Guys, look, there's a... That's cool blue Alaska baggage cart. Oh, that Delta's pushing. Look, that Delta over there is pushing. There's a Delta pushing over there.
Oh yeah, there's a Delta.
Alaska. Watch him disappear. There he goes. Oh, late rotation. No. Gone. But yeah, there goes that Delta. See him?
Look at that.
Oh, I wish I could see him touch down. Dang, he's slow already. There's British Airways. There's British Airways, guys. Wow.
Look at that, dude. That's it.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Wow, that's beautiful. Two little guys coming. You can see his wing.
Coming in here? Oh no, he's...
You guys know what time it is now.
Southwest!
Southwest.
Alright guys, so I never said the plan for today, but we're just the window today. We just left the window and then we're heading to the S and then the N, and yeah, that's basically all. Just spending some time normal, you know. So we're gonna head to the S guys. Let's go. I'll see you guys once we get to the train area, I think.
Guys?
No way guys, this guy's getting the ice, look.
Ooh.
Watch this. This is crazy.
That's weird. China Airlines.
Yo!
No way. That's what I wanted to catch for a while.
It's crazy. If you guys know why, it's just raining today. If you guys know why, tell me in the comments. Aww.
Let's eat, guy. Alright.
See.
Still just gonna push in a minute, I think. Smarkin's chilling right here.
Where's Lufthansa at?
Yeah, I saw this guy getting de-iced. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to go see this right now.
Little Lufthansa. Or no, not little Lufthansa.
There's the Lufthansa.
Yo, what a beast.
Starlines, yeah.
Looks sick, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Yo!
Oh, I got so many good pictures. And a Southwest. Yo,
Look at that.
Lufthansa.
The Embraer and little guy there. Ooh, United A320.
The old livery.
Check that out. Wow.
737 Buzz.
He's pushing, guys. Primary in the back. Holy cow, dude. He's trying to analyze cargo.
You're really kind of quiet.
It's okay.
Here comes it.
I like seeing the flights there. Portland, Oregon, I could drive there. I could drive there. Don't pinch my toes. Don't pinch my toes. I wonder if the trend is already there. Alright, making our way downtown. Go. Hop on the train. Yes. We made it to the train. This is only a 2-carded one. The back of the train.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Please hold on.
Go hiss.
No? Oh shoot. It's about to hit. Oh, never mind. Oh! 3. Oh, there's another one there. That goes to D, guys. Alright, I'll see you guys at the S gates. S gates. Woo! Let's see what we can see here at SeaTac. CCC. Interesting construction going on here.
Little Alaska.
That's cool.
I wonder where the
Seems like they're building something because no planes can go here. They've dug like a trench in there, so it seems like they're building
Oh, look at this guy's
something.
getting towed.
Oh, sure.
All this stuff's getting towed.
Yeah.
I think it's a A220 or an
So
Embraer.
pointy nose.
It's like an A220.
Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna do a loop around and see what all it is.
And then come find me, okay?
Seems like first here is an empty gate. Not much. Oh look, they are done. Looks like they were replacing the tarmac a bit.
1/10. Oh, look at this guy's pushing.
Oh yeah, they did make a new.
Here.
Look, I'm pushing. You can see the Team USA
Yeah.
right
cool.
there.
It's right there.
As well as another guy to fishing.
Wait for someone to arrive here.
Yeah, they made a new gate here, which is cool, guys. And they put down some new tarmac. Delta push tug. That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Oh, and there's the infamous sky bridge.
Oh, looks like Isomere's getting pulled out.
Fat. Not much here. Just more this. Ooh! Let's come up here. Notice what's up here. British Airways. British Airways is up here. You can't see it that well.
Star Alliance is pretty close.
Yeah. Let's keep going, guys. Oh, you can get a better view.
This makes me want to go on a
You can
plane.
get a better view of British there. Oh, wait. Don't always get to see this. Oh, look, they're catering it. Oh my golly goodness.
Oh, there is?
Alaska in the hangar.
Yeah, there's a little Alaska in the hangar.
There's another one by the hangar.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Korean Air boarding. You can't see it that well, but Korean Air is boarding. How heavy does my bag weigh? Not much.
You didn't know that was Emirates?
Emirates.
He's right there. Being an Eminent. Emirates is being an big guy. That surprised me. You can see him.
Check out. Ooh, that's his tail. That's Emirates. There's Qatar, guys. A nice view of Qatar.
Mm-hmm.
And then Hawaiian. Another Hawaiian. Alright, guys. Ooh, Hawaiian. Airbus A330-300.
Airbus 330.
Tail. Ooh. He's pushing. Look, he's starting up one of his engines, I think.
Look at that.
Japan Airline.
Joel.
Beautiful. Oh, he's sitting here.
Oh, guy.
Starlights.
Oh, yeah, look, he's going to push in a minute. Korean Air. Oh, look at Emirates is right there.
Holy cow. How many stairs are there?
Okay, I got to put it on. No.
Oh my gosh. How many stairs are there? Oh, I fell back.
There we go. That's
Oh,
good.
make a light. That's the startup light. Oh, Alaska.
No, Alaska. Cute Alaska.
Cancel pushback?
Yeah,
Turn
yeah,
off.
they're like, turn the beacon light off.
Turn the beacon light off. The propeller's slowing down. I feel like, I don't know how that affects. Frick. Cancel takeoff.
Oh! That's the Stitch livery, dude.
Yo.
Lion. Engine shut down. And the big Delta in the back, too. Look at that big A350, too.
That's beautiful. There goes the dang. He's already. Oh, it's rolling.
Oh.
Not my eyes.
Sorry. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
3509, that's the tail number.
Mariners livery. There's some airplanes going across.
Yeah. CR4.
Oh.
Oh, it's a Max 8 South to West.
I wish we were riding on that today.
Oh, yeah, I wish we were riding on the Southwest.
No matter what, just get me on a plane. But right by the in the first row. Get me in the first row of that plane right now.
Oh my gosh. For real. Oh my God, he's pushing. There he goes. There goes Karina.
Dub Karina.
Go there. Lift line. Pushing.
Yeah, pushing. Oh, that's the touching on. That's like, it's a turn. Oh, pushing back.
There goes.
Sit up, dude. Sit
There
up.
goes. The engines are spinning.
Yo, this is cool.
Oh yeah, look at that, dude. That's sick.
Awesome.
Where did we go? Let's
I
go.
want to start catching. No, I don't want to.
There he is. Karina. Later, guys.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the end gates now, but my phone's running pretty low on juice. So I will see you guys once we get there. Alright guys, we made it to the end, but check this out. West Coast Wonders Alaska livery. This is awesome.
There's another one right there.
There's a plane.
Lift him,
My phone's hot. My phone's hot.
So that's cool right there.
Sick. Dude, this is a dub plane spotting trip. There we go.
You can hear his engines.
Oh, you can feel them too on the window.
Got him. Cute little guy. Alaskan.
Oh, look! You can see it blowing stuff away. You can see it blowing away water.
Oh yeah, that's
The
cool.
jet wash. That's so sick.
November 434 Alpha Sierra.
Look at that. It's blowing away the water. That is sick. Oh, it's wet. That's cool though. Oh, you can see the tail of the West Coast. The orca.
Yeah.
Cold start.
Cool.
Alaska.
Oh, that's my favorite. Oh, what's this guy? Is this by Holland?
Alright guys, it's time to keep moving.
She gets pictures sometimes down here.
Oh.
That's a big plane.
There's a good view of the runway too, actually.
So close to a Hawaiian 787. Look at that. Oh.
Dang, bro thinks he's Southwest. Oh dang, it's broken.
Oh no, walking.
Bro thinks he's Southwest. Oh no, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna hop on the train and head the rest of the way back to Dakar. We're gonna go get McDonald's. Escalators.
The escalators. We can ride on the sea.
Or not. It's coming. Comes the train. I don't see it.
Please stay clear of the doors.
No. Great.
Closing.
Alright, I'll see you guys once we get to the sea gates.
Please hold.
Alright guys, we made it.
Remain on board for D and N gates.
Let's go. Alright guys, this trip is officially over. That was super fun.
Well, not officially.
Anyways guys, we are going to head back to the main area and head out of here so we can go get some lunch. Then we are going to head home. So I'm going to time lapse this walking because it's going to be a lot. Alright guys, we made it back. Alright guys, we made it back here to the parking garage. Oh, there's steam coming out of the ground. The frick? Oh, feels not. What the frick? Why is there steam coming out of the ground? The frick? Maybe that's the car, but still. The steam coming out of the ground all around. It's weird. Ow. Oh, this one. At the doors. Woo!
Sorry. It's okay.
Dang, is it quick? Close the door.
It's a stop.
Squeaky.
Going.
Oh, I didn't know it looks like this.
All the other floors.
The 8 is better looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a whole inside.
These would probably be better when it's super hot out because then the car doesn't get as hot.
Alright,
That's
hop on
right.
out. Okay. Ta-da! Up! Oh, I feel the fun. Can't see the flag though. Ooh. Holy cow, that's loud. Sounds like a fighter jet. Sounds like a fighter jet. There's a fighter jet. Delta. Alright guys, we're here at McDonald's. As you can see, we're doing curbside pickup. I'll show you guys what I got in a sec here. Alright guys, here's my Happy Meal I bought. Oh. I'm gonna make that okay. Alright guys, here's my Happy Meal I got. Got both. This is really cool. It's a Disneyland. So it's serious. I also got an Honest Kids juice box. Set that in there. But I'm gonna open this up. But we're gonna just eat our food and drive the rest of the way home. So I'll see you guys once we get back.
Your burger is?
Alright guys, we made it back. It's not misting anymore, that's nice. Alright, sit down inside. Alright, you guys, we made it home. That was an awesome trip. And if you've came this far in the video, I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and relax for the rest of my day. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.